So yeah, welcome back to a very quick and sharp update on this stock. Tonight we are having a very quick flyover SBE stock. We're looking at this one simply due to the fact that the stock price does look like it may be coming down today, which is not a bad thing. Now please don't get me wrong with this one. I do like this stock and I know a lot of you guys love this stock as well, especially over on Discord. Feel free to come and join us on Discord, link in the description, talking about stocks. But yeah, the stock price is going down today, so I'm just making a very quick update talking about what this means and how this could influence your decision to buy. So first things to note, first of all, can we get to 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible? Come on guys, we're pumping out hundreds of videos every month. You know, if you could just help us get to that 1,000 subscriber goal as soon as possible, it would be appreciated. Second thing is, of course, I'm not a financial advisor. This is all just my opinion, but I hope that is still going to be useful to you at some point or in some way. So with that being said, let's have a quick look at the stock price, analyze what has happened, why, and whether you should buy. So, just before you do leave a dislike on this video because I have a negative opinion on this stock, that is not the case. The case is I am bullish on this for the long term, but nevertheless, it doesn't hurt to get a good price for when you do buy in. Obviously, if you believe in the company's success over a long term, I suppose a few dollars here and there won't matter, but for the short term, of course, it will matter. Yes, if we're holding this stock for 7 years plus, maybe it won't matter to lose $1, $2 here, but you know, it all does add up if you buy multiple shares and whatnot. So let's just look at the facts. So, of course, Chargepoint is going to be SBE stock when the merger does go through. We're looking at how this has affected the stock price. Obviously, when news about the merger did come out, we saw a huge rally in the price all the way up, basically without stop, all the way up to about $36. And it looks like on today, we are seeing one of the first, if not the first day down for absolutely months, since early November. So since basically November the 4th, we have not really seen a day down at all. Small one down here, you know, on the 12th, but barely even noticeable. But here we are looking to see a steeper dip. Now, don't get me wrong, it's still not too steep. Let's look at this from a percentage point. So from the highs, we have lost about 8%. So you can see from about a 1 or 2 day period, it's not too bad, but the stock price does look to be rallying again already. So like I said, this is definitely a strong stock in my opinion. But like we said in our last Chargepoint update video, I definitely did note that this stock could potentially, you know, I'm not trying to be negative on it, but for the short-term period, it could definitely have a crash once the merger has gone through, as we see a lot of people who are doing a quick swing trade get out. We saw a similar thing with Helion stock, so I just worry about this one for the same reasons. Now, yeah, for the long term, I am definitely positive on this one, but if it does come down like Helion did, obviously, and you're losing about half of the value on the company, it just makes sense to wait it out a few days, or perhaps at least wait for a dip. So dip on this stock is a good thing to see in my opinion, and is it a buy yet? For me, it depends. If I was buying this one, and of course, I am not your financial advisor, but if I was looking to buy this one, I would say, okay, let's analyze what we are going in for. Are we doing a swing trade where we trade in for a few months until the merger goes through or whatnot? If we are doing that, then perhaps yes, it's a buy. If we are not doing that, if we're doing a more long-term thing, then you know this price could come down half of its value for a short period of time towards the early part of next year. So we've really got to analyze whether it's worth it to buy in at this point. I mean, yes, there's that fear of missing out factor, but look at it logically, you know how it is. We don't want to lose in the long term. So it's just something to think about for you guys. So I did hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, come and join us on Discord. I will see you over there. Thank you for your time. Goodbye for now.